Welcome to this online video for the DSC application school forms. Today I will be showing you some changes we have made to the application as well as the form. If you have not watched our original tutorial video, please do so now. You can find a link to it in the section below. If you have already watched the video, today I will explain 6 changes. 1 in the registration dashboard, 4 in the registration packet review, and 1 in the parent portal. First, I will show you the change on the registration dashboard. On the top left box with new registrations, we used to have a gray link that said how many drafts were currently available. Now we have moved those drafts down below to the link here. The reason we let you see the drafts is because this is a new process for a lot of parents. If you see a registration in draft for a long time, it might be wise to reach out to that parent to make sure that they understand the new process. Other changes come when you enter a registration packet. The first change you might notice is the top left box that says Student ID. We ask that you follow your current process when searching for a student and their student ID. If the student is already enrolled and assigned an ID, you may fill it in here. If it is a new student who has never been enrolled before and assigned a new ID, again, you may plug it in here. The reason we are now asking for the student ID is so that we can better streamline the process and reduce duplicate registrations. After you fill in the ID, make sure to click Save. Another change comes if you try to delete a registration packet. The Delete Registration button is all the way on the bottom of the packet review page. If you click this, we will now ask you for a reason for deleting the registration packet. For example, we see that sometimes there are duplicate registrations or a student is already registered. Either way, we will ask you for information about why you are deleting the packet. Then you can delete the packet by clicking the red button. If at this moment you decide you do not need to delete the packet, you may just press Cancel. In the uploads, we have now added the ability for you to upload documents yourself. This is in case a parent sends you a document, whether it be through fax, email, or drops them off. You can now have those documents on your computer and upload them by browsing or clicking and dragging the file to the area here. Another change comes specifically for students registering for kindergarten. If you go to a student's registration review packet, down to the section where it says DOE Kindergarten Survey, there is now a button to generate a form. When you generate a form, you may print it out for your records. The last change comes on the parent portal, where they normally fill out information about their home language. We now made 2 existing questions required, which are country of birth and date of entry in the U.S. We hope you find these changes help you with the process. Please feel free to contact the help desk at any point if you have a question. Thank you.